So if we have lines that intersect, that means we have one solution, and that happens when we have different slopes. And if we have no solution, we have parallel lines, and the condition will be the same slope, but different what? Very good, different y-intercept. And then we have coincident will be right on top of the other, infinitely many. So it'll be the exact same equation. So if you want to say same slope and same y-intercept, that will mean the same thing. All right, let's put a big star in example number 1. So once we analyze this, your answer will either be 1, none, or infinite amount. So we have, let's put the understood one. The slopes are what? The same or different? We have different slopes. So we know automatically the lines are going to intersect. So how many solutions will I have? 1. For number 2, let's go ahead and make y by itself. Let's do this one to the right. All I need to do is minus 3x on both sides. So our final will be y is equal to negative 3x plus 4. What should I do for the second equation to make y by itself? Divided by 2. So we have y is equal to negative 3x plus 4. So these two are what to each other? So we have the same equation. So how many solutions then? Infinite. Very good. On the back. All right, so number 3 is a little bit different. It's asking us to solve for it. When we are solving for system, that means we're looking for the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate. So I'm going to take my y into this y and substitute all of that in. So I have 3x plus 4 times x plus 3 is equal to 26. And then we have 3x and distribute. 4x plus 12 is equal to 26. Combine like terms. And I think I want to go ahead and move the 12 over at the same time. So how many is my x? 2. So x is my 2. I would plug that back in right here to find the y value of what? 5. And that will be the solution. So with that said, let's do example 6 with the partner. Go. Talk to your neighbor. Perfect timing.
You just do 4x equals good, plug in. So have you done both? Minus x. Oh, that's what I meant. I meant 4 minus. Oh, you just do minus x. Hand it to me. Whatever. It's 3 plus 1. Yeah, that's what I meant. I just want to say it weird. Yeah. I said it weird, but I did it right.
And the coordinate should be clean in one digit.
For that. 4 minus 3 is 1.
Okay, if you're ready, give me a fist. Okay, let's represent the x coordinate. Ready? Go. Okay, give me another fist. Let's represent the y coordinate. Go. Nice. 3, 1. Okay, now let's go on to number 9 and 10 on the back. So if you want to practice 7 and 8, go for it. Actually, we're only going to do number 9. Let's do number 9. Okay, on number 9, vertical angles are always what to each other? Congruent. So I know this is also 36. And then we have a linear pair. And these two are vertical angles. So how many must be that pair? If that's 36, the other must be 144 and 144. So let's use elimination for this one. So I'm going to set 18x plus 6y equal that to 144. And then 6x plus 10y equal to 144. And this one involves a little more work because I can't just eliminate. Could I make this 6x into a negative 18 somehow?
Yeah.
Okay? By taking the whole thing and doing what?
Times negative 3.
Times negative 3. So I'm going to keep the first one alone. It's very algebra heavy today. So now we have negative 18x. And then we're going to get negative 30y. Can someone tell me 144 times 3? Negative 432. Almost there. So now let's eliminate. I can cross this out. The y is going to be negative 24y. Let's subtract, I would say big minus small, and keep the negative. How many would that give us? Do your math on the side if you need. More like elementary math. 432 minus 144. And then we borrow. And then that becomes 12. I heard someone say 288. Very good. Now 24 actually goes into 288 very clean. How many? Did someone say 12? Very good. So we know y is equal to 12. For the x piece, I want to plug it back in. I think I want to plug it back into the smaller one, the smaller original. So let's do that. We have 6x. 12 is my y, so that's going to give me 120 is equal to 144. So if I take 144 minus 120, that's 24, right? And 24 divided by 6 is? 4. Boom. All right, number 11. Mimi, let's read.
The perimeter of a rectangle is 40 meters. The length is 1 less than twice the width. Find the length and width of the rectangle.
Okay, let's draw the rectangle. So the length is 1 less than twice the width. I'm just going to call the width x. So how would I represent the length? 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. In the perimeters, when we add them all around, so I have 2 of these and 2 of these. So I have 2x plus 2 times 2x minus 1 is equal to 40. Could I have chosen to just go all around and add all of them instead of multiplying by 2? Yeah, same thing. So we have 2x plus 4x minus 2 is equal to 40. Someone give me the x. 7? What was the unit given here? 7 meters. It's specifying not just the length, but also the width, right? So I want to plug that back in. 7 right back in here. That's going to give us how many? 13 meters. How can I check to see if this answer is correct? What would I do? Okay, what is 7 plus 7? 14. What is 13 plus 13? And when I add those two together, we get what? Boom.